Dear children, good evening. Hope you are all safe and sound. Today we are going to learn about hardware. Okay? Shall we start the session? Yes, children. The invention of computer has had a huge impact on our day-to-day life. They are now present all over, at home, at work, and in schools. Have you ever seen any place without computer? No, we see computer in almost every field like a departmental store, hospitals, malls, cinema theaters, etc. We see computer in almost every fields. Yes, in this lesson we are going to learn about what is hardware and what are the four major types of hardware. Okay children? Yes, but in our previous session we learned that computer work on the principle of input process and output model, that is IPO model. So what is IPO model? It is nothing but input means computer need certain data to work. Any data or information we send to the computer is called input. Okay? Then processing. Processing is a method of taking input data and changing it to the output. It is called processing. And what is the output? Output is nothing but any information that is sent out from a computer is called output. So the computer, it works on the principle of IPO model. Okay. So it accepts the data, process it, and it gives the result. That is what is IPO model. So input devices are used to give the data into the computer system, and output device shows the result of processing, right? But a computer system, it consists of two major elements. What are they? What are the two major components of computer? They are hardware and software. So to make all the input and output devices work together, we need both hardware and software. Okay? In this session, we learn about what is hardware and its types. Okay? So children, what is hardware? Hardware is the physical part of computer. That is, any part that we can touch and feel is called hardware. Any physical part of computer that we can touch and feel is hardware. But what is software means? It is a set of program that run on a computer is called software. We cannot touch software, but we can touch and feel hardware. Listen, a computer system need both hardware and software to function. Okay? A computer hardware refers to the electronic part that we can touch and feel. It includes all the input and output device we learnt about earlier. Okay? So can you touch CPU? So what is it? It is a hardware or software? Yes, it is a hardware. Can you touch mouse? Can you touch a keyboard? Yes, these are all the hardware components that are attached to the computer. Okay. So hardware is further classified into four types. That is input device, processing device, output device and storage device. Okay. While processing, the computer saves the data or result in the storage device. So let us learn about them one by one. What is input? What is input? Input is any data or information we send to the computer is called input. So input devices means input devices are the devices, they consist of external parts by which we give data and command to the computer. The device that are helpful in giving input to the computer is called input device. So common input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. So the device that are helpful in giving input to the computer is called input device. So what is keyboard? Keyboard is the major basic input device. It is made up of small buttons called keys. It allows us to enter letters, numbers, symbols, etc. Okay. So keyboard is the major input device. And what is the next input device? The second input device is mouse. So mouse is a pointing device. It gives command to the computer. When we click a tab, the command is given to the computer. This is also a form of input. Okay. Joystick. Joystick is used to play games on the computer. Scanner. We can use scanner to copy a document and the input it into the computer. Microphone allows us to input sounds like or speech or songs to the computer. And webcam. Webcam takes the picture and put it into the computer. And second is processing device. Processing is a method of taking the input data and changing it to output. Some of the major processing device is CPU, that is central processing unit, which is called the brain of computer. It is also a hardware device. It is the most important part of computer. It controls all other part and does all the calculations of the computer. It is responsible for controlling all the parts of computer, and it is also responsible for doing all the calculations on computer. Okay, and the third one is output device. Output device helps us to display the output from the computer. So output hardware consists of devices that transfers the information from the computer to the user. So some of the major output devices are monitor, printer, projector and speaker. So the computer displays the result of processing on a TV like display screen called monitor. So printers can print the result of our work on the paper. So it is a output device. And projector, it takes the image from the computer and projects them onto a large flat surface. Speakers, you can listen to music, speech or sounds from the computer through speakers. So these are the major output devices. And the finally storage device. Any hardware that stores the information in a computer is called storage device. Let's have a look at some of the hardware storage devices. Hard disk, CD or DVD, USB pen drive. So what is hard disk? Hard disk is a data storage device. It is used for storing and recovering large volume of data. So it is a storage device. It is helpful in storing all the data and information from computer. Okay. So what is CD or DVD? It is a round disk with a shiny surface. It is used to store large amount of data, mostly games, videos, movies, songs, etc. And pen drive, USB pen drive. It is a handy storage device and it connects the computer through USB port. It can also be used to store or transfer data from the computer to another computer. Okay children, have you all learnt about what is hardware? Hardware is nothing but the things that we can touch and feel. So what are the four major types of hardware? Input device, processing device, output device and storage device. So what is input device? The device that consists of external parts by which we can give the data to the computer. The device that are responsible for giving some input to the computer is called input device, and the device that helps in processing phase, it is called processing device, and the device that is helpful in displaying the output is called output device. And storage device, it is responsible for storing all the data and information from the computer. Okay children, is that clear? Yes children, complete the given worksheet and WhatsApp me. Okay, if you have any doubt, feel free to call me. Okay, thank you children.